vases here are aftermarket. They went in a car, we put fresh flowers in there, the original air fresheners. This is a collection of them here, all the various different kinds they offered. Here's some original advertising of them. Whose Glass, they're still around. I met his grandson, and he's collecting and starting a museum. And they made the ashtrays and the shift knobs, but we have a bigger collection than he does in his museum. You see how that one there is slag glass? A pretty unusual one. I'll show you, I got one car with one on it. This is how they were. So they actually by your head, and you put two in a car by each passenger, the driver and the passenger. And they put water and fresh flowers in there. Yeah, and that's an ashtray and a shift knob. The ashtray would just snap onto a clip, so you'd pop it off, then you take that little cover off the top, and then you dump it out, and then you snap it back on the dash. They're aftermarket. You buy them at a parts store or something. This has an ashtray and a shift knob displayed in there. Can you see them? I try to match them to fit the color of the interior of the cars. That's how we got started, to just a little detail. I started finding the ashtrays that matched, then it was hard to find a shift knob. So you kept buying more and more and more, and our collection grew that way. Right now, we're at a conference with worldwide car museums and the United States, and in talk with the people, we had only in the biggest collection in Europe and the United States of that kind of ashtrays, those slag glass ashtrays. Sometimes people want to trade and stuff, but I don't, unless they got something really rare that we want. We've got a couple very, very rare ones. They had, some of them held a package of cigarettes. See, they went on the dash with a suction cup, so you could take it off to dump it. But some of them held, like this one here, you put a pack of cigarettes into it, and it was held by the suction cup. And I believe we have two of those, and they're really hard to come by. And you see some of them are displayed with suction cups on them, like this one has a cup. Some don't.